I'm going to talk to you today about three things. First of all, I'm going to talk about what's been happening in our schools over the last 14 weeks since they closed back in March. Schools have been working incredibly hard with head teachers and all staff to provide a provision for key worker families so that their children can attend childcare and for vulnerable children to attend schools. And we've had really positive numbers here in Conwy, some of the highest on the region, with over 300 children attending, which is really good for Conwy, and it's really good for those of you who are key workers who are out there working so hard to help us in this unprecedented situation. Secondly, I'm here outside one of our schools in Conwy to talk to you about what you're going to see and what's happening in our schools currently. Kirsty Williams, the Education Minister, wanted every child in Wales to have the opportunity to attend school, to check in, catch up and prepare for the summer and for September. The local authority and the schools, head teachers and staff have been working on a plan for the reopening of schools. I've come on site here today to give you an idea of what things could look like in your school across the county of Conwy. Parents, staff and pupils will find social distancing guidance and signage to help them. You will also find hand sanitisers and there will be the opportunity for hand washing through the day. All of this will be supported by staff within the schools to implement the guidance. Third and finally, I just want to reassure you today, the decision that you take is your decision as a family to allow your children to return to schools. When the Education Minister made this announcement, she made it clear that this was voluntary. And I just want to reassure you in making that decision that we are here working hard to ensure that the policies and procedures are in place for the schools and for your children to be able to come back.